Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technology. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 19th February, Friday. And apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So if we see options open interest data, the next expiry contract is the monthly expiry contract 25th February, and the max pain level for 25th February monthly contract is at 15,000 levels. So if market was to expire at 15,000 level, in that scenario, option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. As you all know that a large percentage of options, they expire worthless. So option call and put buyers, they are likely to suffer highest amount of losses if market was to expire at 15,000 levels on 25th February. If we analyze options open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 15,500 strike, and highest amount of puts have been written at 15,000 strike. So it gives us a broad range of 500 points on the index, 15,000 to 15,500. And if you were to see what happened intraday today, highest amount of calls were written at 15,300 strike, and highest amount of puts were written at 15,000 strike. And you will also see that in the money puts 15,300, they saw their open interest reduce. So it just tells us that option writers, they have booked their losses, and option put buyers, they have booked their profits at 15,300 strike. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 13,758 levels. And if we see the weekly time frame, you will see that market is currently under control of sellers. So straight away there is conflict among larger time frames, monthly and weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. It is currently under control of sellers as it is trading below its opening price. And if we see the daily time frame, you will see that now market is making lower highs and lower lows. So based on the daily price structure, we can conclude that Nifty is in a downtrend, and based on the daily structure, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,118, we can potentially trade towards 15,250 levels, and above those levels 15,296 and potentially 15,354 levels. However, below 15,078, we can trade towards 15,032 levels, 14,974 levels, and potentially 14,906 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 15,118 to 15,078. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen are Godrej Properties, MFSL, Manappuram, and PVR. So all these stocks are inside candles on the daily time frame. So we'll look for an opportunity if either sides of the range breaks. So above 1,527, we'll look for buying opportunity, and below 41,492.05 level, we'll look for selling opportunity in Godrej Property. In MFSL, we'll look for buying opportunity above 879.7 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 858.35 levels. Our third stock is Manappuram. We'll look for buying opportunity above 178.45, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 174.75. And our final stock is PVR. We'll look for buying opportunity above 1,508.95 or selling opportunity below 1,481.2 levels. So what you have to do for tomorrow is mark high and lows in these stocks and use 15-minute time frame. If price closes above or below today's highs, which in tomorrow context is going to be previous day highs or previous day lows, In that scenario, we'll look to establish a trade. So if on the 15-minute time frame, for example in PVR, we manage to close above 1508.95 levels, only then we look for a opportunity to buy PVR, and vice versa for selling PVR. And in between the high-low range, we'll not be making any trades. As you all know that inside candles are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. I would like to summarize that tomorrow above 1000, 15,118, we can potentially trade towards 15,250 levels, and below 15,078 we can potentially trade towards 15,032 levels. And broadly speaking, we're in a range of 15,500 to 15,000 level based on the overall open interest data, and the max pain data for this monthly expiry contract suggests potential expiry near 15,000 odd levels. And our stock watch list for tomorrow is MFSL, Godrej Properties, Manappuram Finance and PVR. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel, and don't forget to also check out the description section of this video. There you can also find link to all our recent blog posts.